start with that breaking news in the last hour in the trial of former Manchester City footballer Benjamin Mendy, who's been found not guilty of 2 charges by a jury at Chester Crown Court. And we can hear from him now.
And here is now Benjamin Mendy. He was very emotional. He's got a few words to say.
Benjamin Mendy would like to thank the members of the jury for focusing on the evidence in this trial, rather than on the rumour and innuendo that have followed this case from the outset. This is the second time that Mr. Mendy has been tried and found not guilty by the jury. He is delighted that both jurors reached the correct verdicts.
Benjamin, 2.5 years of your life taken away, your football career affected.
It's been 3 years since the police started investigating this matter. Mr. Mendy has tried to remain strong, but the process has inevitably had a serious impact on him.
Benjamin Mendy.
He thanks everyone who has supported him throughout this ordeal and now asks for privacy so he can begin rebuilding his life.
Ben, football fans around the world just would like to hear a few words from you about how you feel.
Alhamdulillah. Ben, well done.
Ben, where does this leave your football career? You ready? You look fit. You're ready to start playing again. How do you feel about what you've been put through and in the end been found not guilty of every single charge against you? 10 charges across 2 trials, 2.5-year process. How does that make you feel? Obviously you're emotional, but put it into words for us.
Ben, you're going to start playing football, yeah? You're going to start playing football again, bro?
What about the support of the people who've supported you? I know obviously Pep Guardiola spoke up for you.
OK, let's get to Chester Crown Court now and join Gary Cotterill, who's followed the trial from start to finish. Gary, it's been a dramatic hour. Can you tell us what's happened?
Well, you saw there Benjamin Mendy leaving court about 50 minutes, 45 minutes or so after this jury unanimously found him not guilty of 2 charges. 1 charge of rape and 1 charge of attempted rape. They're the 2 charges remaining from a big trial that took place over a 5-month period, which ended in January this year, in which he was found not guilty of 8 charges. So now a total of 10 charges that he faces originally. All of them he's been cleared of. He was very emotional in court when the 2 not guilty verdicts were read out. It took the jury of 6 men and 6 women less than 4 hours to reach those unanimous verdicts. He was in tears with his friends. He was in tears with his legal representatives. Had a little bit of time to pull himself together a little bit in the court behind me before emerging to make that statement. Well, of course, a statement made by his solicitor. He didn't really want to say too much there, did he? The words that he did say, you heard, were translated from Arabic, praise be to God. And I'm sure now he's having some time to reflect and just take in what's happened, not just here in the last 3 weeks in this trial, but at that trial, the previous trial, which lasted 5 months. Not guilty on the 2 charges. It didn't take the jury very long at all to reach those verdicts. Very emotional in court, slightly less emotional outside of court, but he now leaves court with his name cleared after a 2.5-year process.